All right, guys, so we are going to be looking at formatting your narrative. So right now you have an awesome story typed up, and we're going to just figure out how can we make it just a little bit easier to read on our page, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our narrative in our Google Doc, and we're going to look and highlight everything. We're going to make it the same font. All right, so I have it all highlighted. Up here on my toolbar, I'm going to choose the font that I need. So this is one that everybody's going to be asked to use. It's called Times New Roman. So we're going to go ahead and make that Times New Roman, and you can see that it changed. Check that everything changed. Fantastic. Then we're going to make it the same size, so it's all going to be in Times New Roman 12. We'll talk in class a little bit more someday about why we do this, but that's what we're going to do right now. I notice that this B is highlighted, which means that my text is bolded. So I'm going to go ahead and unbold my text because I don't need it to be bolded. Okay. And the last thing I'm going to do while I have it all highlighted is I'm going to make it double spaced so it's easier to read. Just like most books are that way, we're going to make it ours. Okay. So if we look here at the arrows going up and down, we have line spacing. We're going to click on double. All right. So right now you need to check, do I have Times New Roman 12? Not bolded, not italics, nothing underlined. And did I do my double spacing right here? Okay, fantastic. All right, so just a couple other things that we want to look at. So I noticed on a lot of our narratives, it's kind of incomplete right now. You do not need this part, right? So if your name is there, let's delete that. Date, we don't need that, it's already there. Class and teacher, you can delete those things. Oops, too far. Because it's already there for you, right? So you only need name, date, whatever class it is, and teacher. You don't need it to say name, ... Okay? Next, insert creative title here. When I was looking at a lot of our narratives, guys, it said that. What is this, okay? So I'm going to think about what my story is about and put something really exciting like the explosion or whatever my story might be about. I'm going to put that there. And then I only need one space between my title and my text. I indent my text, so to do that, I'm going to go to my keyboard and then find the tab button, hit tab, and I should have a really nice and neat, clean paragraph, however that looks for me, okay? And then it's double spaced. Next time I start a new paragraph, I tab again, all right? And things should be looking good. So that's a really quick explanation on how to format your paper, but hopefully you find this helpful and just helps us read it a little bit easier. Great.